Hi traders, welcome to this demonstration video of how to install an FXAlgo Trader product. First of all, open your MetaTrader 4 application. I'm running Windows UAC on this machine, so Windows User Access Control is active. So first of all, note your MT4 account number in the top left hand corner. And the first thing to do is to make sure that account number is registered. And to do that, you just go to the FXAlgo Trader website. Go down to the support tab in the footer here and click on license management. In the reference number, just enter your unique reference number, enter the ID that was supplied to you on the original purchase email, click submit, and you'll see you have 4 options in here where you can enter up to 4 MT4 account numbers. To enter the account numbers, choose which account number you want to enter and then just enter the number from MT4. And I've already got this in here, but I'll just demonstrate how you do this. So you just, if I wanted to add that 1020822042 number under account number 3, I just enter it into the MT4 account 3 box, click submit. The system then confirms that number has been added or amended. Click back to license management, and now what we need to do is generate our installer links. So click generate installer links. And you'll see here any products which you're licensed for will automatically show 2 installer links, one for MT4 build 600 or higher and one for pre-build 600 versions of MetaTrader, which are becoming much rarer now. MetaTrader introduced build 600 and higher in February this year, 2014. So if we wanted to install Daily Pivots version 3 on a MT4 build 600 or higher, we just simply select the URL here, press Ctrl C, copy it, open a new browser tab and paste it in, hit enter, and you can see down here in the bottom left hand corner the system is downloading the installation package. So before we run the installation package, what I want to do is show you how to get the correct file path. So we go to MetaTrader, click File, and then go down to Open Data Folder. And this is very important. So this path here is where we need to actually install our product. And what I'm going to do is go to the Windows Snipping tool, and I'm just going to select that so I can see it all the time. I'm going to move it down here so I've always got that visible. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close MetaTrader 4, and I'm going to go back to my browser, and you can see here I've got FXAlgo Trader package.zip in the bottom left hand corner. I'm going to double click that, which opens up the setup file. So FXA Daily Pivots version 3 DPV3 setup, and then bracket 600. So I double click this and it's asking me whether I want to run this software, so I do. I click yes. I've got Windows User Access Control asking me again whether I want to run it. I do. So I click yes. Installer pops up. I click next, read the license agreement, accept it, click next, and now I need to browse to that folder I was just talking about, which I've copied in my snipping tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy that exact path. So I go to C, scroll down to users, it's under Crispin, which is my name. I go down to app data, and again I need to go to roaming, and within roaming I've got to find MetaQuotes. Here it is, and then within the MetaQuotes I open up the terminal node, and I need to find a path which ends in 27 3Bs as it says here. So I just scroll down, find this, I think it's that one, so starting CA1B, yes, ending in 27BB. That's my installation path. So I select that, click OK, click next, click install, click finish. Now notice at the bottom of your screen there is a Windows UAC prompt flashing. So let's select that. It's saying, do you want to allow the program to make changes to the registry? I do. And it's giving me another prompt saying, do I want to allow the Visual C++ redistributables to run? I do. And that completes the setup process. So I can close these windows down, close my browser down, go back into MT4. MT4 now loads up. I open a new chart. Let's make it change the colour so you can see what's going on. Go to black and white, get rid of the grid, make it candlesticks, enlarge it, shift it, make it full screen. I open my custom indicators folder because the Daily Pivots product is a custom indicator. Scroll down till you find it. If it's greyed out, it doesn't matter, it means there's no source code associated with it, it's just an executable, that's not a problem. Now simply click it and drag it onto your chart. Now make sure you go to the Common tab, select Allow DLL Imports and select Allow External Experts Imports. Make sure those are both ticked. Click OK. Now the next thing that will happen is you will see this little interface popping up on your chart, and this is a little utility which allows you to, it automates the creation of a reference file which allows the system to verify your license. So if you're running Build 600 or higher, select this box here, tick it, now enter your reference number, save those changes. Now all you need to do now to get rid of this timecode renewal error is just refresh the chart. So click, change the time frame, system queries the license manager, and hey presto, Daily Pivots version 3 is installed. Simple as that. And all the new systems in Build 600 Plus do not query the web server when you make changes to the external input parameters. So for example, if I wanted to add M levels, intermediate M levels to this product, just click true and they come up straight away. In the same way that if I load a new chart and I load the Daily Pivots version 3 again, it should come straight up on the chart. There's no querying of the web server again because the license has already been verified. So a few improvements there to optimize the performance. So that is simply how you do it. Please follow the instructions carefully. It's not difficult. The key thing is to make sure that you install in that data folder which I pointed out here, and just make sure that if you're running with Windows UAC, you allow the installer to make changes to the registry and also run the Visual C++ redistributable package. Simple as that. Shouldn't be any problems if you follow these instructions carefully. Thanks very much for watching.